So now I'm going to take down all of the stuff that is currently up on my walls so I can basically just start prepping my room for when me and my dad are going to paint it on Tuesday. It is currently Sunday. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down all the stuff on my walls, so that's one less thing to do later on. All of the stuff that was on my walls is now off. Besides that, I need help taking that off, but because it's like screwed into the wall. But took all the stuff off of my walls. It looks so blank now, but some of the stuff will soon be up after I paint my room like pink. Probably take the stuff off my bed, put it somewhere else for now. Very excited, I can't wait. Soon my room will be my favorite color, which is light pink. My light pink girly room dreams will come to life. I'm super excited. Hey guys, so today is officially Tuesday, painting day. I'm so beyond excited for my room to soon be light pink. You don't even know. It's my favorite color, so of course I had to paint it light pink. I was just gonna show you guys that we got the paint. Obviously you saw me go to the paint store and get the paint, but just wanted to show you guys the color of the paint that I ended up picking out. So as you can see, we've poured some of the paint already in there. Got the roller and whatnot. You can see, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see the color a little bit more. Looks like that, light pink. Looks a little bit darker with like the lighting or whatever, like in the can, but when we poured it in here, it looks lighter. But yes, this is the paint that we got. My dad didn't move my furniture from my room out of my room because that would have been a lot, and furniture in my room is pretty heavy to move and everything, so we're just moving it off the walls and into all of the furniture into the middle center of my room, so it's off the walls so we can still paint. Yes, we are going to get to painting now. just got done painting my room. As you guys can tell, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. So this is how it looks. It looks pretty good. The paint is still wet and drying, but table lamp for my to go on my nightstand over there. I ordered it from Amazon. And now I'm going to open and assemble it. So here is the lamp, just plain white little lampshade up here, and then it has kind of sparkly little knob thingies right here, and then it's just a metal silver base, and then it also has its touch to turn it on or off and how bright you want the light to be on the lamp as well. And it also has these little plug-ins that you can plug in to charge, like your phone or your laptop, anything you want to charge. And then also obviously the actual plug for the lamp to go in the wall. Took off all of the stuff that I had previously on my nightstand, and I'm going to clean off my nightstand with a wipe. And then I'm going to kind of rearrange, figure out where I'm going to put my lamp and anything else that I want on my nightstand, and make it look all pretty and clean it. So guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below also if you enjoyed the video and if you want more content like this in the future. Also, don't forget to push the post notification little bell icon right next to the subscribe button if you would like to be notified every time I post a new video. I really love how my room turned out. It's all light pink and girly and cute, and I just love it so much. Light pink is my favorite color, like I mentioned in the video, and I'm just in love with how my room turned out. I think it's super cute, and it's very me, very Sloan. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!